Greetings from Great Used Auto Sales in sunny South Florida. Up for sale today, this 2024 Chevrolet TRAX RS1 package. All right, we're gonna go ahead and take a quick walk around. Then we'll take it panel by panel and show you the condition of the vehicle. It's in really nice shape. Let's go ahead and take a quick look here. Okay, we're taking a look at the front bumper. Front bumper's in beautiful condition, looks super nice. Really nice shape all the way through. Take a look at that headlamp, also in beautiful condition. Close look here, looks amazing. Taking a look here at the bottom light, also in beautiful condition. Grill's in beautiful shape, look at that, very nice. Take a look at the headlamp here on the driver's side, beautiful condition, clean throughout. Lower lights in beautiful shape. Let's take a quick look at the hood. Hood's in beautiful condition, really nice. It's got a tiny little chip right there. Another one there. It's got a scratch up here also. Besides, that's in good shape. Taking a look at the front fender. Driver's side looks good. Nice condition overall. It's got a little mark here on the paint. All right, taking a look at the driver door. Driver door's in great shape. Does have a little scratch here and here. Besides, that looks good. Glass looks good. Rear door. Rear door on the driver's side looks good, very nice condition. Does have a tiny little scratch right there. Quarter panel looks good, great condition. Has a little mark on the paint right here. Taking a look at the rear. Rear hatch looks good, very nice condition. Rear bumper's in beautiful shape. RS bumper, very nice. All right, taking a look at the rear quarter panel. On the passenger side, it's got a little scratch right there. Besides, that looks good. Taking a look at the rear door on the passenger side, does have a scratch right there also. Not sure if you can see it. It's got a little scratch right there. Front door on the passenger side, beautiful condition. Very nice. Also has a tiny little scratch right there. Front fender on the passenger side, beautiful condition, clean throughout, very nice shape. Let's look at the window. Glass looks good, don't see any chips or anything on it. On this side, looks very nice. Let's take a look at the roof. Roof does have a couple scratches here on top, as you can see there, and a couple more over here. Also a couple little hairline scratches here on the edge here, and another one right there. Much it. It's in really nice shape. Let's take a look at the windshield. Windshield looks good. Don't see any chips or anything on it. Looks very nice. Really in great condition. All right, that's pretty much our walk around on this one. 2024 Chevrolet TRAX RS model. You guys have any questions? Coming up next, we're going to go ahead and take a look at the interior. And then we're going to take it for a test drive. We'll be right back. Okay, we're taking a look at the driver door panel. Driver door panel's in beautiful condition. Really nice shape. Look at that. Armrest is in great condition. Take a look at the controls. Beautiful shape. Let's look at the driver's seat. Very nice. Two-tone accent on that. Looks amazing. Rugs are in great shape. Dashboard stereo looks amazing. Beautiful condition. All right, we're taking a look at the rear. Passenger side door panel, beautiful condition, looks clean throughout, very nice. All right, take a look at the rear seat, beautiful shape, really nice condition. Rugs are clean, very nice condition. Really outstanding shape. All right, we're taking a look at the rear door panel on the driver's side. Door panel's in beautiful condition, looks amazing. Very nice shape all the way through. All right, let's take a look at the rear seat. Rear seat's in beautiful shape. Very nice. Really great condition. All right, we're taking a look at the front door panel here on the passenger side. Door panel's in beautiful condition. Looks super clean. Very nice shape. Armrest is in great condition. Take a look at the controls. Very nice. All right, let's look at the passenger seat in the front. Beautiful condition. That two-tone there. Super nice. Rugs are clean. Dashboard looks great. Steering's in beautiful condition. Look at this. Very nice shape all the way through. Okay, we're sitting inside this 2024 Chevrolet TRAX RS model. Let's go ahead and start it up. Let's take a look at the key fob first. Here we go. Lock, unlock, remote start, and panic. So this one has a slot that you insert the key right there. We're going to start her up right there. Look at that. Take a look at the cluster. Beautiful. All the GM products, usually they check the needles really quick. It goes all the way up and back down again, which is super nice. All right, so let's take a look at some of the features on this one. It's the RS package. RPMs, fuel gauge, miles per hour, temperature gauge. In the center has an information center there. This one has 25,516 miles. Super nice. Really amazing. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at some of the other features on this one. So here's the turn signals right there. Super nice. Highlights. Perfect. On the right side here is control for the rear and front wipers. Cruise control on the steering wheel. This is the collision alert in the front, so you can set it up for further away. See right there, I'm pressing the button here. It's changing the setting. So further away is better, so it'll stop faster. This one nice, has a heated steering wheel right there. Super nice. This is the information center. We were messing around with that for a moment. The volume controller here, speak your commands, and the Bluetooth. And this steering wheel has that bottom piece here. It's not completely round. It's a sporty look. Look at that. Very nice. And it's leather wrapped with the stitching, the red stitching, and perforated a portion of it. See that? It's an RS package. Really nice. All right. Automatic lights right here. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Super nice. All right, let's take a look at the RS package. Here we go again. Automatic transmission. The keep lane alert right here. The engine bypass off right here. Down here we got USBs, power plug, cup holders, a little bit of storage there. Storage in there also. Manual air conditioning. You can set it manually right here. Heated seats for the driver and passenger in the front. Super nice feature. Very nice. Up above here, we're looking at the screen. This one only has 25,000 miles. They still haven't taken the little plastic off of it. Look at it. See that there? So that's why it has little balloons or whatever in it. It's just, it has the cover on it. So let's go ahead and take a look. We'll go back to home. All right, so we're looking at audio, phone, Wi-Fi settings, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, OnStar services. Go this way, it shows you whatever you're connected to on your phone. And on the left-hand side there, it shows you the radio station you're at. So let's go back to home anyway. So we go to audio. Let me show you all the sources. AM, FM, XM radio, and Bluetooth. Okay. And then we can go back to home again. Phone, if your phone's connected, you'll be able to see it there. Wi-Fi settings. There you go, those are the Wi-Fi settings. I'm gonna log into that. Settings for the vehicle, that's the system. The apps. The vehicle, let me show you the safety features it has. Forward collision system. Front pedestrian detection. Lane change alert. Parking assist. Rear backup camera with parking assist symbols. And rear cross traffic. So this one has pretty much everything. Super nice. Okay, so Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, the OnStar down here, you can see it's connected to the internet right there. See that? Shows you the temperature, shows you the time. Super nice. And then we're going to go ahead and leave it on that screen right there. Okay, let's take a look at everything else. So that's the mirror right there, the rear mirror. Here on top, you have your lights here, your OnStar visors with mirrors. Let's take a quick look at the liner on this one. Liner's in beautiful shape. Taking a look here real quick. Looks amazing. Really nice condition all the way through. Perfect shape. Okay. All right, dashboard's in beautiful condition. Very nice. This one has the little red accents for being an RS. Super nice. See the accent right there? Amazing. Glove box is clean. Seats are in great shape. Vehicle's in really nice condition. I mean, it's really nice. All right, that's pretty much it. We've gone through everything here. Stay tuned, guys. We're going to go ahead and take it for a test drive in a moment. We will be right back. We're all set. Take it for a test drive here. Here we go. Let's accelerate and see. Nice response. Look how quick it is. Really nice. Super quick. Really great. It's really nice. It drives perfect. Alright, I'm going to slow down here and brake. Drives super sweet. Look at this. Really great drive. It's pretty quick. Okay, we're waiting for some traffic to open up, get back on the road again. Okay, here we go. It drives super nice. It's really quick. It's amazing. Great fuel economy, and it has a lot of pep. Really great drive. Okay, we got a light here. Okay, we're going to continue our test drive here. We just had the light change. There we go. Feels super nice. Super quick. All right, now we're going to go ahead and test out our backup camera. We're going to find a little spot here to park and do our backup camera. Here we go. All right, let's put in reverse. And let's put the little lines on it here. There you go. See that? Those lines move from side to side as you're backing up. So it's a really great feature there. So we're going to go ahead and pick a spot back there. We're going to back right up as we're going here. Super nice. Look at that. Fantastic. There it is. We just parked. All right. So that's going to conclude our test drive on this one. All right, stay tuned, guys. We're going to go ahead and take a look under the hood, take a look at the engine compartment, and take a look at those tires. We'll be right back. Okay, we're taking a look at the cargo area in the back. Cargo area is in great shape. It looks clean throughout. Really nice condition. Good amount of space there. It's got a little light there. Very nice. Those seats fold forward. Really amazing condition. All right, let's go ahead and take a look here at the spare tire. Spare tire and all the tools beneath it. Very nice. Beautiful condition. Really amazing shape. Really nice shape. All right, we're taking a look at the engine compartment of this 2024 Chevrolet TRAX. Really beautiful condition. Look at this, amazing shape. Looks really nice. Beautiful condition throughout. Let's take a look at the bottom of the hood. Beautiful shape. Original sticker there for emissions. Never been touched. Look at this. Really nice condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the front tire here. Front tire on the driver's side. Tire's in amazing condition. Looks very nice. Rim is clean and in beautiful shape. Look at that. Amazing condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear tire. Rear tire on the driver's side. Tire's really nice. Good amount of tire tread there. Looks amazing. Rim is clean and in beautiful shape. Look at that. Very nice condition. Does have a couple little scratches here. Besides, that's in good shape. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear tire on the passenger side. Tire's in beautiful shape. Really great condition. Rim is clean and in beautiful condition. Look at that. Very nice shape. Okay, we're taking a look at the front tire here on the passenger side. Tire's in beautiful condition. Rim is clean and in great shape. Look at that. Very nice condition. Okay, well that's going to conclude our video for this 2024 Chevrolet TRAX 1RS. Vehicle's in beautiful condition inside and out. Really nice shape. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to call 786-431-9046 or visit our website for more information. GreatUsedAutoSales.com. Thanks for watching.